What is Man-Tea Rock Hard Formula? Man-Tea Rock Hard Formula is a proprietary herbal blend that consists of 10 ancient Taoist super herbs, which promises to give you rock-solid, long-lasting erections, increase your libido, increase your testosterone, and improve your overall sexual performance. The Man-Tea Rock Hard Formula as a herbal blend consists of Taoist super herbs which promise to give you happy sex life quite effectively, and it can give a rock-solid performance, long-lasting erections, increase your libido, enhances your testosterone, etc. easily. It is blended by Adam Armstrong, a sex expert, and thus he is helping his clients quite effectively, and with the help of this herbal supplement, he is tackling their customers' sexual concerns like having problems getting hard, erections problem, etc. According to Adam, there are more concerns related to male sex supplements in the market. The sex supplements in the market have toxic ingredients and toxic fillers in these supplements, so instead of enhancing your sex life, it can give you many side effects simultaneously. Moreover, they are capsule-based as well. On the other hand, the Man-Tea Rock Hard Formula is a genuine quality made of pure Taoist herbs, and these herbs are considered as a tonic and you can easily take them without any serious concerns. It is way effective than the other supplements. The following are the herbs used in the construction of this supplement. Nettle root, goji berry, salvia root, he sho wu, sustanch, horny goat weed, tribulus terrestris, yakama bark, morinda root. The following are the benefits of having this supplement. It solves your problem quite effectively. The studies on the herbs reveal that it takes care of your erectile dysfunction and poor libido quite effectively. It is confirmed that it would work regarding the intended purpose. Take care of your health. This supplement is versatile, and not only it takes care of your sexual concerns, in fact, but it also promotes your health as well. The research reveals that it helps in keeping your body and mind healthy. The herb, horny goat weed, can increase your testosterone, sexual desire, etc., and reduce your body mass quite effectively as well. On the other hand, goji berry is rich in nutrients and it boosts your immune systems, lowers your blood sugar, and reduces your insulin resistance effectively. Enhance muscles growth. If you are a bodybuilder, this supplement can give you muscle growth quite easily. It can help you in losing excess weight and gain lean mass easily. Just have it with 2 teaspoons in your smoothie to see the effective results. Assistance of the useful reports. Moreover, if you go for this supplement, you can surely going to have benefited from the 5 reports that are given free with this supplement. These reports can help you immensely even if you are quite good on the bed, and moreover, you can also learn something useful from it as well. Try it out for 2 months. Just try this tea for 2 months to see the effective results, and that is more than sufficient time to see the efficacy of this supplement. Moreover, if you don't find it effective, you can email or call them on 01933 221 738 for UK orders, and for US and international orders you can call +1 917 675 3051. Besides the benefits of having this tea or the supplement, there are bit concerns as well, but they are not like that will stop you from using this sex-enhancing supplement. The following are the concerning points. It is costly. The 1 packet of the Man-Tea can cost around $100, but if you go for the 3-packet package, you can save yourself a lot of money easily. But it is advisable here that you should go for the single packet first to see if it works for you. There are some side effects. Though this herbal blend has pure herbal contents in it, still it can cause some minimal side effects because reactions can be different. The minimal side effects of horny goat weed are nausea, thyroid dysfunction, palpitations, sweating, and mood changes, etc. Shipping takes a long time. If you are in the UK, you can have your supplement within 1 to 3 days, while if you are in the US or somewhere else, then it can take around 7 to 14 easily. Mainly, it depends where you are ordering from. The gist, at last, you must go for this Man-Tea by consulting your doctor first. Most of the time, your sexual concerns are physically related. So, it is always advisable to see your doctor beforehand. Moreover, erectile dysfunction can be caused by diseases like atherosclerosis, heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, etc. Make sure you don't have any above diseases before you order your Man-Tea. However, the Man-Tea Rock Hard Formula reviews are exemplary, and people are using this wonderful supplement in huge numbers. You just go for it once to see the effectiveness of this wonderful supplement, and it is way better than the other male sexual supplements available in the market. If you are looking for leaner body mass health fitness articles, the Man-T Rock Hard formula is the best option you can ever have, and this Man-T can easily make your sex life happy and long-lasting. Please my channel subscribe.